And good morning. Welcome to Car Talk with Brad Doenges with the Doenges family of autos. Look, see,
Come on.
yeah, I know. Come on,
It's your
goodness.
first time on Car Talk, so we gotta make it a little difficult.
Exactly. You know, I got to stumble just a little bit, but a lot of great things are going on at the Doenges family of autos. So let's talk about what's going on.
Good morning,
Brad.
friends.
Good
Yeah,
morning.
it's been fast and furious the last couple of weeks. I've been to a couple of manufacturer meetings. We have this incredible heat hanging on. The summer weather is making it crazy out at the dealership, and lots of people and cars don't know what's going on when it's so hot this time of year.
No, they don't. That's for sure.
I got my good friend Mike Devore here, who's our body shop manager and a longtime Doenges employee. Been there for almost 20 years now. 20 is it that long?
I think so. 26, 27 years.
That's a long time, Mike. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
And we'll talk about body shop stuff today. We got Tulsa State Fair starting today. If you want tickets for tonight's opening night, it's Ford Family Fun Night. $6 admission and $2 rides tonight only. Come by the dealership and you can get those tickets. We've been giving away more than we have in many years. So come on by, come on down. If you're going to go to the fair tonight, you can save some money, and we've got those tickets at the dealership. And actually in both stores, even though it's a Ford promotion, it doesn't just, we're all
We're all one family, right?
Right. Yeah. Lots of inventory. I keep talking about that, and people still ask, what's going on the lot? And, but right now I've got 141 new and used vehicles that are in stock, in transit, or in the system headed our way. We've got available Super Duty, F-150, Bronco Sport, Edge, Explorer, Expedition, Escape. Even this week we got in a 2024 Mustang GT, the very first 2024 Mustang, all-new Mustang, redesigned from the ground up. This car is really cool. I'm going to describe that to you a little bit later.
Perfect.
This is a vehicle that comes from the factory with an optional drift brake. Let that sink in for a minute. Those of you who know what that is. Yeah, just like in Fast and the Furious. So that's pretty cool. On the Toyota side, we've had a lot of activity too. It doesn't stop there, where the pipeline is just, we're selling pretty much 90% of what's allocated to us, a lot of it before it hits the ground. So you need to reach out to us on the Toyotas you're looking for. But we have a great selection, just that they're not always on the ground for very long. We do have some that are there right now, RAV4s, Tacomas, Tundras, a 4Runner. So come on by. There is great inventory right now, and our great non-commissioned sales professionals can help you find that perfect vehicle for you with our streamlined sales process and great, transparent way we deal, and want to make you happy with your purchase. So, Mike, running the body shop it's a big job, and you take care of a lot of complex things, don't you?
It is a very big job. I mean, you don't really think about it when you get in an accident, some of the things you should do, but we're there to help you repair your vehicle pre-accident.
Yeah.
Get you back on the road safely and everything.
And, I think we get people from our side of it, it's kind of obvious what the body shop does versus what's done in the mechanical shop. I think maybe to most people out there, it's not exactly clear, but, body shops work on the non-mechanical parts of the vehicle mostly, the things that carry the mechanical parts and the passengers.
Correct.
And so it's the body of the vehicle, the frame, the windows, cosmetics, paints,
paint jobs,
and there's a lot of technology in that now too, electronic systems.
There
and
is
things.
all the ADAS stuff, blind spots, your front cameras, everything that reads your speed limit signs, everything that pops up. There's so many electronics and everything that we train on and everything like that we can get you back on the road safely and everything.
And you mentioned the training. That's
yes, the training.
Both the mechanical side and the body shop have very specialized training, and for years we've been an ICAR Platinum certified.
Platinum. Our guys are Platinum certified. We're actually we're ICAR Gold, which is the highest that you can get, and the technicians, they're the Platinum, which is the highest you can get. So.
Yeah. And all that is we know what we're doing when we work on these cars. We train on repairing them. We work with all insurance companies.
Yes.
We work with all makes and models. But one of the other great advantages we have at Doenges is we're an OEM body shop. So when you're with our brands, I mean, we have access to the OEM parts. We have really it can help us be more efficient and repair the vehicle better. And because we're so close to the OEM, even if it's not our make or model, you guys take real pride in putting cars back together.
Correct. We have close relationships with our vendors where we can get our parts fast and everything like that on the spot, pretty much.
Yeah.
Hardly any downtime.
Yeah, and that's been an issue over the last couple of years, and you guys have experienced it too, where your body shop business has been kind of backed up. I mean, we've been through a period where in a certain way people aren't maybe trading their vehicles as much, and they might be repairing them more than they used to be with all the uncertainty right now with higher interest rates and low vehicle supplies and things like that. It's certainly, and now we have the UAW strike going on, and what is that going to mean?
It's been a mess here, Brad.
Well, heck, the whole world, it seems like it is at times. Luckily, we live in Bartlesville.
Right.
And like I said, our inventory is growing, so there's no impact yet on anything like that. But that whole way that we repair the vehicle, and your great team out there, because you've been there over a quarter century.
Yes. I've seen a lot.
I don't want to age you too much, but you have seen a lot, and a lot of your guys have been around that long too.
Yes.
Or have been many years, and we have a really great experienced crew, a state-of-the-art body shop, and great technology in there too. People maybe don't think about it. It's kind of dirt. Can be dirty in there.
It can be dusty and dirty, that is for sure.
And then there's the paint side where there's all kinds of stuff going on, and the paint booths and the paint prep stations. But our most recent purchase was a new technology, a frame machine that is electronic and actually does
electronic measurements and frame
really
pulling,
cool.
everything. If there's anything, a bump, usually nowadays, even if you get in a small fender bender, usually it's smart to get it up there to make sure there's nothing out of alignment or anything. And this machine gets you up there and measures everything and gets you all back into specs for sure.
Yeah, no, it's great technology. So let's go back to the beginning. If a lot of times people don't think about body shops until they need one. And so what do you do when you need one, Mike? What's the first thing somebody should do, or how do you prepare for that maybe before?
Probably before, usually anytime in an accident, either